So hello namaskar everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Ritika and today in this video we'll be doing a teaser of Mantra Sus, which is located near Parke Basti, Sus, Pune and developed by Mantra Properties. So in this video we'll be discussing about below points, which is project overview, location, amenities, cafeteria, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But before talking about the details, let me tell you first what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developer, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platform, if you're just doing an inquiry, your number will be shared with different brokers, resulting a lot of calls. Well, Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly with the developer. So book your dream home directly with the developer through Housey. तो चलिए अब हम बात करते हैं प्रोजेक्ट के ओवरव्यू के बारे में। मंत्रा सस विल बी कंस्ट्रक्टेड ऑन 2.5 acres of land parcel consisting of 2 towers. Each tower will be having 3 basement plus ground plus 28 floors with 2 BHK and 3 BHK premium residences. तो चलिए अब हम बात करते हैं प्रोजेक्ट के सराउंडिंग और कनेक्टिविटी की। जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं मैं एक्चुअल लोकेशन पे खड़ी हूँ ऑफ द प्रोजेक्ट। मेरे राइट हैंड साइड में आप देख सकते हैं रहेगा इनका लैंड पार्सल ऑल ओवर। और अगर हम लोकेशन की बात करते हैं ऑफ द प्रोजेक्ट, तो प्रोजेक्ट इज जस्ट लोकेटेड नियर राजगढ़ बंगलो रोड, पार्के बस्ती, सुस, पुणे। और अगर हम कनेक्टिविटी की बात करते हैं तो कनेक्टिविटी आपको मिल जाती है सुस पाशन ब्रिज विद इन 3 किलोमीटर, मारुति चौक विद इन 3.1 किलोमीटर एंड डी मार्ट विद इन 4.9 किलोमीटर. Coming to the amenities part of the project has 25 plus luxurious amenities like swimming pool, kids play area, squash court, table tennis, community center and banquet zone also, and many more. And now moving forwards towards the cafeteria of the project, Mantra Sus has 2 BHK and 3 BHK premium residences with 2 BHK starting from 720 to 758 square feet and 3 BHK starting from 940 square feet cafeteria. And now let's talk about the booking process of the project. Project booking windows is open now. Clients can come and visit the site also. Our sales team will explain the complete project along with the 3D model and will share the pricing and payment schedules and will show you the actual location tour of the project also. And then if clients like the project, we can continue with the booking process also. So everyone, this was the teaser of Mantra Sus, which is located near Parke Basti, Sus, Pune and developed by Mantra Properties. और अगर आपने ये लोकेशन में और कोई प्रोजेक्ट्स देखे हैं या देखना चाहते हैं तो do let us know in the comment section, and for more such videos click on the given below link and do like, share and subscribe to Housey on www.housey.com.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.